Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. We have seen that how to add and subtract the different expressions, as well as in exercise 9.2 we have seen that how to multiply monomials with the monomial. So today we will see that how to multiply more than two monomials. So let's begin with the question 4. What is the question 4? Obtain the volume of rectangular boxes. So what it means? It means that you have to find out the volume of rectangle. So you should know the formula for that, and what's that? LBH. L stands for length, breadth, and H stands for height. So length into breadth into height. By multiplying them, you will get the volume of rectangle. With the following length, breadth, and height respectively, means here in the following questions, they have given you the values of length, breadth, and height. So you are having values also, as well as you have the formula also. So by putting the values in that, you will get the answer. So let's do that. Here in the first one, the length is 5a, breadth is 3a square, and h is 7a raised to 4. So let's put it in the given formula, multiply it, and we will get the answer. So here you have to write the formula, then after we'll put them. So 5 3s are 15, 15 7s are 105. First we will multiply all the constant and then the variables. So a into a square into a raised to 4. Here you can say that you can use the laws of exponent. What's that? If the base are same and in multiplication, then you can add the power. But अगर वैसे नहीं करना है, वो नहीं याद रखना है, then it's okay. You can directly do that. Just check how many times a are there. Not 3. You have to consider the powers. So 4, 2, 6 and 1. So 7. So a is to 7. And here they have written cubic units. So what's that cubic units? It's a unit for volume. जैसे एरिया हमेशा स्क्वायर यूनिट में होता है, वैसे वॉल्यूम हमेशा क्यूबिक यूनिट में होता है. Okay, so here they have not mentioned meter, centimeter, kilometer likewise. That's why we will go with cubic units. Let's see the next question. What is the next question? LBH. L is 2p, B is 4q, and height is 8r. So simply put it in this formula, you will get the answer. So first we will multiply constant. 2 4s are 8, 8 8s are 64, and then PQR. Simply we will write PQR because all the variables are different. Okay. Then next one, xy into 2x square y into 2xy square. So first multiply the constant. So you will get 2 2s are 4, 4 1s are 4. Now check how many times x is there. 2, 3 and 4. So x raised to 4 and y also 4 times. So y raised to 4 cubic units. Understood? You must have to write these chaps in the exam. Yeah, if they are asking you in fill in the blank or something, then it's okay, you can write directly. But if they are asking in the exam in this way, then you must have to mention the formulas and everything. If you want to do it directly, then you can do it directly also. How? 2 3s are 6, 6 1s are 6, multiply all the constant and then variable. So A, B, C, A into B into C. So simply we will write A, B, C. Is that clear to you? This is how you can multiply more than two monomials. Now let us see the next question 5. So what is the question 5? Obtain the product of. Now here they have reframed the question that obtain the product. You already know product means what? product means it's the answer of multiplying. If you will multiply any numbers, then its answer is known as product, right? If I'll say 4 5s are 20, then 20 is the product of 4 and 5. यानी सिंपली प्रोडक्ट फाइंड करनी है तो आप यहाँ पर कौन सा ऑपरेशन करोगे, मल्टीप्लिकेशन. ओके, यानी मेथड एंड एवरीथिंग इज सेम, सिंपली दे आर रीफ्रेमिंग द क्वेश्चन. So to understand the question is very necessary step in math. Okay, so let's begin with that. We will put the multiplication sign xy into yz into zx. Now there is no any constant, so simply we will multiply all the variables. So we will find out what are the similar ones. So x 2 times means x square, y again 2 times means y square, and z square. Understood? Then next question, what is the next question? A minus a square and a cube. Don't get confused in that here they have given negative or minus sign. Minus sign is stands for the negative. Okay, means this is negative, जैसे positive और negative integer रहता है वैसे. So दिस सम यू कैन डू इन 2 ways. ये माइनस जो है आप उसे निकाल लो -1 करके, और फिर ये सारे पॉजिटिवली लिख लो ए स्क्वायर एंड ए क्यूब, क्योंकि ये माइनस की साइन तो हमने बाहर ले ली उसके साथ मल्टीप्लिकेशन में, जो बाद में मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगी. और अगर ये नहीं करना है तो सिंपली डायरेक्ट मल्टीप्लाई कर दो ए स्क्वायर एंड ए क्यूब. सो 3 + 2 5 एंड 6, सो a raised to 6, और फिर साइन पुट करो. साइन क्या आएगी, माइनस. वाई द साइन इज माइनस, वाई इज इट नेगेटिव, बिकॉज हियर इट इज ओनली 1 टाइम. इट्स लाइक दिस, -2 into -3. सो व्हाट विल बी द आंसर, 6. यानी हमने मल्टीप्लाई तो किया, लेकिन हमने कैसे इंटीजर्स को मल्टीप्लाई किया, हमने नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स को मल्टीप्लाई किया. तो -2 into -3, 2 3s are 6, लेकिन ये माइनस माइनस की साइन भी मल्टीप्लाई होगी तो वो क्या हो जाएगी, माइनस माइनस प्लस. ओके, सिमिलर वे इफ़ दे आर गिविंग यू -2 into 3, यानी एक नेगेटिव इंटीजर और एक पॉजिटिव इंटीजर, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, 2 3s are 6 एंड माइनस प्लस माइनस. सो यू कैन डू इट डायरेक्टली ऑल्सो. हाउ, इफ़ दिस माइनस साइन इज इवन नंबर ऑफ टाइम, यानी 2 टाइम्स है, 4 टाइम्स है, 6 टाइम्स है, 8 टाइम्स है, तो आपका आंसर हमेशा क्या आएगा, पॉजिटिव. और अगर आपकी माइनस की साइन ऑड नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स है, 1 3 5 7, देन योर आंसर विल बी नेगेटिव. एवरी टाइम यू डोंट नीड टू चेक इट. ओके, सो यहाँ माइनस की साइन कितने टाइम है, 1 टाइम है, और 1 कैसा है, ऑड, हेंस योर आंसर विल बी नेगेटिव. इज दैट क्लियर टू यू? ओके. Now let's move with this third one. Let's do one thing. Third sum, try to solve by yourself. I am giving you 20 seconds to solve this sum. Can you do it quickly? Okay. Your time starts now. 15, 14, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Time up. I hope you solved it and you get the correct answer. Now let's begin with the fourth one. First we will multiply all the constant. So 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 6 6 are 36, and then a b c into a b c. So a how many times, 2 times, so a square. Similar way, b square and c square. Is that clear? Let's move with this one. M into minus mn into mn p. Now there is no any constant, so simply we will multiply all the m. So how many m's are there? 3. So m cube पता है ना, हम एक्सपोनेंट और पावर में एक्सपांडेड फॉर्म को एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म में लिखते थे ऐसे. इफ़ दे हैव गिवन 2 into 2 into 2, then what we were doing, we were writing it in exponential form, 2 raised to 3. So similar way you have to do this, m into m into m. So how many times? 3 times. तो उसका एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म क्या होगा? m raised to 3 means m cube. Understood? Similar way, n into n. So how many times? 2 times. So it will be n square, n raised to 2. And p is only one time, so we'll put p only one time. Now we forgot this sign, negative sign, and it's one time, hence your answer will be negative. Understood? This is how you have to multiply the monomials or more than 2 monomials. Is that clear? Now in next video session we will come with the another video in which we will see that how to multiply monomials with the binomials and trinomials and different polynomials. Is that clear to you? Till then, have a good day ahead. And yeah, one important thing, very soon I'll give you the PDF of 9.1 and 9.2 so that you can complete your work. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.